back to LG Plays. We have the I Spy series here, and we are going to open a few for you guys, and we have a scale for you guys, so we can weigh them for you, and we can see how much they weigh. Welcome back to LG Plays, and look what we just found! The LOL Surprise Series 4 Wave 2 Pets. We're so excited to show you. I'm just going to spin the box around so you guys can see all the sides. So there's the front, here's the side, here's the back, and here is the other side. I like how they have Independent Queen's pet right there. And of course they have 7 surprises. Now I'm going to show you what the ball looks like. And on the cover they have really adorable pets. And they're the same pets from the box. And this is the side where you can see what it comes with. Yeah. Let's open this up. But first, let's weigh it. This ball weighs 148 grams. Okay, let's see what a hint is. This is Queen Bee. The hot pink ball. See it? There. Let's see what we get. Let's open the pet. I think this is the pet. Oh, we got Black Tie's pet. She's a skunk. She's so cute. We got like a little collar. Ew, it looks like we got some shoes. Look how cute the shoes are. It's like it has black soles with a red shoe and then white front. Here is Blackstripe. Do you want to open another LOL pet? Let's do that right now. But first, we must scale to see how heavy. This ball weighs 150 grams. See what our hint is? It says Smart Cookie. Smart Cookie, okay? And it's a blue ball. Now let's open it up. Hot pink poop. Alright, here's the pet. See who we got. We got Candle Kitty. She's so cute. I love her. Let's open everything she comes with. An outfit and a bow. Cool. She has bubbles. She has bubbles. This should be her pooper scooper. Yep. Cool. Look how adorable Candle Kitty is. Time to open the next pet. Let's open this one. But first, we must see how much it weighs. It weighs 151 grams. Okay, let's see what the hint says. I have to use the decoder. Super hard. Sunshine. Alright. Sunshine is our hint. It's gold. That makes sense, like sunshine, like glitter. Alright, it's gold. That's the hint. Whoa, look at big. So it's definitely not an ultra rare. They're like so tiny. Oh, we got Madame Pop on her little tail. Gonna remove the bag. Okay, baggy. Oh my god. Her hair's so pretty. She looks super pretty. Look at how pretty she looks. I like the pink with the black. It's a good combination. Oh, that was her first gold. Just realized that. Alright. She has bubbles too. Ooh, I like hers. Hers has like glitter on top. Or is that glitter? Yes, glitter. And then it's like pink. Super cute. Oh, look at how pretty. Little dog bone. Of course. She comes with like a bow collar. I'm digging for those shoesies. Ooh, she comes with like bubblegum pink high heels, but they're like low tops. Look how cute. Side shot, front shot, another side, and this is the back. Looks really nice. Look how beautiful and sparkling Madame Puff is. Okay. Let's open up our last ball of the video. From the side, if you're lucky. This ball was 147 grams. Open this layer. Okay, let's see the hints. It's like stuck on there. Drama Queen. Got Drama Queen. Theater Club? Perhaps. The blue ball. As you can see. Got it. We got it. Cool. We got a white pet. Don't know. It's a pony because it has hooves. See? Oh, we got one of my favorites. We got Unipony. She's so cute. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Her little earsies. Earsies. Oh my gosh. Milk bottle. It is beautiful. It is a horseshoe, but it is like purple and it has glitter. Wings! She comes with wings. Scooping out her shoes at the moment. What is so special about Unipony sand is that it's white. And when you get white sand, that means it color changes. And we found out that it color changes blue. Look how cute Unipony is when she's all dressed up. We had so much fun opening all these brand new LOL pets, and we hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!